In this session, I'll show how you can use the scripting capabilities within VDB Builder. So I'm in a VDB Builder session. I'm in my workspace. Let me do a show global. So you can see the global properties. The fourth one down is a recording file. It defaults to my output.txt. I'm going to go ahead and leave that on my output.txt. So when we record our session, the commands will be output to that file. The way that you start recording a session, you just say set record on, and you can see that it's started recording to that output file. Let me do a list in my workspace. You can see that I have 2 data sources and 1 VDB. I'm going to go ahead and create a new VDB called my VDB. Within the VDB, I'm going to create a model. Call it my model. You can do a help at any time to see what the available commands are. So in a model, you can see I can create various relational entities. I'm going to go ahead and create a table. Call it my table. And then I'm going to create a few columns within the table. Just call it call 1. Call 2, call 3, and then I'm going to go back to the workspace, and then I'm going to set record off, so that turns off the recording, so that all my commands have been saved to that my output.txt at this point. If you look at the recorded file output in my output.txt, you'll see that the recording, there's comments at the top and bottom that the recording was turned on and then it was turned off. You can edit this file if you want. I'm going to go ahead and remove the list command and the help command because that's just going to output stuff. It doesn't really create any objects. Now I'm back in the VDB Builder session. There are 2 ways that you can play back a recorded file. So interactively, if you're within VDB Builder, you can just play it back from within the interactive session. So let me do a list. I'm going to go ahead and delete this VDB that I created. Alright, so the script when I play it back should recreate my VDB. To play it back interactively, just type play and then the name of the file. So that's simply saying that all of the commands in the file have been successfully executed. So let's take a look now, do another list. You can see that my VDB has been created. And you can see that I dive down into it and it looks like all of my entities have been created. So let's go back to the workspace. And there's my VDB. Let's go ahead and delete it again. And now I'm going to show you the other way that you can use your script. So the second way you can play your script back is from the command line. When you start up VDB Builder, you can supply a script. And basically what it'll do, it'll just run the script and then exit. So just use your startup script and then supply a -F and supply the name of the script file. So as it starts up, it should play these commands back and then exit. So you can see that it's echoing as it creates the entities here. So then you can exit. Now when I start up VDB Builder again, the VDB should be there. So I'm just going to start it up interactively. I'm in the workspace, just do a list, and you can see that the VDB is there. So this session has showed you how you can save your session script. You can go to the script file and do a little bit of editing. You could actually create your own script files by hand if you like. And it shows you two different ways that you can play that script back. You can either play it back interactively, or you can play it back from the command line when you start up VDB Builder. So that ends this session. I hope you'll join us for the next sessions. Thank you.